Okay, everybody, so guess what we're doing today? Today we are replacing our dryer vent. Yep, you got it. Time to get this guy replaced. It is no longer operation, and we're replacing it. So this is what the little hole looks like that it runs into. You can see I've already taken it off. And I've got this guy coming over. It's going to replace it. So stay tuned. That's what we're doing today. Today's the day we replace the dryer ever built vent duct. This is the piece that's going to go in replacement of the other one. So today's the day we're replacing our dryer vent.
You want to attach this
Here we are.
this end to there, as well as this one to the one on this side. Sometimes you use metal clamps.
Okay.
I'm going with the zip ties, because that's what the old one has, so it don't really matter, as long as it's secure.
Okay.
Gotta make sure the metal ring is in here as well as on that side. I like to add a couple. See how you got it in?
Yep.
You gotta make sure it's all the way around by twisting it.
So it doesn't come loose like the last one did.
Well, I don't know why it came loose, probably because it was moved. So, I need another one. Babe, you're gonna have to grab me two more.
Okay.
Too short.
Okay,
Normally,
so we've got one part on already.
this is all basically what we're doing. We're tightening it real tight so it doesn't come off. It's on there. And there it is, see?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do the same with the one over here. That's underneath. And I got a couple of rings in, so it shouldn't be no problem. Give me two more. No, give me two more. It has to be at the end. Oh, here you go. That's the one you gave me. Okay, that's the old one. Basically, it's the same. Get it in there. Once you get it all up. That's what I like about the zip ties.
Right.
It stays on there.
All right.
And that's all it is.
Simple process. And there you have it.
Cut out the little excess.
The excess.
And there you have it, man.
There we go. Okay, everybody, so that concludes this. Okay, everybody, so this is done. And the dryer is back in its proper place. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. This is Allie's View, and that's how you replace a dryer vent. Like and subscribe and share this video. Done.